So for this project, I have decorated a couple of the Traveler's Notebook inserts just for a couple of things I like to keep track of. So first up, I have a reading journal. So I've been doing or logging my books for a while. Sometimes I write down quotes and things from them. So that's what I did with this first one, and I've just used washi tape and some of the odds and ends to decorate a handful of the pages. I didn't go all the way through the book because I don't know that I will want to go all the way through the book with those. Border strip and another doodle pop there. And in the back, I've taken one of the cards from the Cards and Envelopes pack and used that in the back just as an additional place to put notes. My second one, I've used this to make household notes. So receipts, things that we've replaced or things that need done, that kind of thing. So I used the envelopes from the Card and Envelope pack in here, along with some of the odds and ends to decorate them, to have places to tuck receipts into the notebook itself, so that when I finish with this one and I pull it out and I store it, I've still got those receipts and things where I need them. So I'm going to go ahead and put those back, and you'll notice in the back here I have one of the notepads from the Over the Rainbow collection tucked into the very back of that. So if you take about 1/4 of an inch off of the bottom of that back cardboard on those, they actually slide perfectly into the back of the Traveler's Notebooks. And then I've got my charm I made earlier, and there we go.